A CIDP, or County Integrated Development Plan, is a 5-year plan which is a legal requirement for all counties. This means that all counties are supposed to develop a CIDP, County Integrated Development Plan. The first County Integrated Development Plan was for the years 2013 to 2017, and now we are in the second one, which is 2018 to 2022. So for Kisumu County, watu wa Kisumu Dara, you should know that the county is planning to implement a number of projects, but for the purpose of today, and since we don't have a lot of time, I will focus on the basic services, that is healthcare, education, water and sanitation, and also housing, and I will combine it with lands. So Kisumu is, CIDP is one of those documents where you can find a lot of information about your county of interest or your home county. You can find details such as the population of your county. For example, in Kisumu County, according to the CIDP, there was a population of 1.2 million people in 2018, and this population of people, they live in 7 sub-counties and 5 main urban centers. These urban centers are Maseno is an urban center, Ahero, Chemiril, Katito, and Moroni. Those are urban centers. Those are towns. There are others which are upcoming, like Sondu, Paponditi, Awasi, and Kombewa. Those are upcoming urban centers. Then there are 7 sub-counties, which is Moroni, Nyakach, Seme, Kisumu East, Kisumu Central, Kisumu West, and Nyando. Those are sub-counties, and in all those 7 sub-counties, there are 35 wards. So for Kisumu County to implement their CIDP, the County Integrated Development Plan, they have projected that they need approximately 66.3 billion Kenyan shillings to be spent on implementing the CIDP 2018-2022. And water, irrigation, environment, and the natural resources is expected to be the biggest beneficiary, taking it will take 22.1 billion shillings, or at 3.3% of the total resources required to implement the CIDP. However, the county projects that 53.2 billion will be generated, or they are able to generate 53.2 billion by 2022, and which means that they have a budget deficit of 13.1 billion, which the county government intends to raise through strategies such as public-private partnerships, or PPPs, and the grants, among others. This will be the second largest sector which will benefit from this 5-year plan is Health and Sanitation Department, which will possibly be allocated 10.2 billion during the 5-year period. So we basically did analysis of the Kisumu County CIDP and came up with a number of findings. So let us start with the health sector. Projects which will be implemented in 2018-2022. One is providing stipends and NHIF contribution for community health volunteers, which is expected to cost 500 million for 5 years up to 2022. Then there will be Cancer Treatment Center at Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Training and Research Hospital, which is expected to cost 1 billion Kenyan shillings. Refurbishment of Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Teaching and Referral Hospital is expected to cost another 1 billion. Number of modern MRI machines will cost 200 million. The county government of Kisumu is also planning to refurbish Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Teaching and Referral Hospital. They are also planning to provide a number of modern MRI machines at a cost of 200 million. They plan to procure, to construct, a morgue at Muhoroni, Kombewa, and Nyakach at a cost of 60 million shillings. Kisumu County is planning to increase the age at first sex from 13 to 17 years. Kisumu County is planning to increase the age at first sex from 13 to 17 years at a cost of 27 million for the 5 years. And finally, mental health care services has been allocated 3 million shillings in the CIDP. So basically, these resources are inadequate, according to my observation, to address mental health care problems in Kisumu County, considering that even the psychiatric ward at the Kisumu County Referral is not well equipped. So they need to make recommendations and changes later. The other interesting projects which Kisumu County has in this CIDP is construction of a ultra-modern assembly at a cost of 800 million, construction of the Speaker's residence at the cost of 60 million, purchase of land within the city for the construction of a modern county assembly and the Speaker's residence at 150 million, installation of surveillance cameras at 100 million, develop a cycle footpaths and socks at 300 million, creation of land bank at approximately 700 million, relocation of and improvement of Kachok dam site, which is at 50 million, but observation is that they have already spent 95 million in phase 1 and another, I don't remember the figure, in phase 2. Then they want to process and acquisition of legal documentation for county-owned land and projects. That is looking for the title deeds for county land and projects at 10 million to do that. Development of housing policy, 10 million. Promotion of appropriate building, materials and technology, 100 million. And today we had a number of discussions with some residents of Kisumu at Band PL Social Hall, owned by the Catholic Church, and residents were happy, especially about the promotion of appropriate building, materials and technology. But they were not so happy about the construction of a ultra-modern assembly, that's county assembly, and the Speaker's residence, because they felt like there are some projects which are more critical and which should be given priority by the county government of Kisumu. That is basically a few things which are in Kisumu County Integrated Development Plan for 2018-2022. And for you to get more details, kindly go to Kisumu County's website, download the Kisumu CIDP 2018-2022 to get more details about what the county is planning to do. So basically, in our next episode, we will be looking at neighboring counties to Kisumu, and in this case, we will be looking at Homa Bay County. That is in our next episode. Thank you very much for tuning in to Kerosi TV.